Hi mga arthritis warriors, I'm Dr. Jonathan Flordelis and welcome back sa Ask Dr. Joff. I'm Dr. Jonathan Flordelis. You can call me Dr. Joff, your trusted source sa hip and knee arthritis information. If you are new here, download from the Facebook groups our guide, Walking Back to Life. The question we have for today is, Doc, may nakaranas po ba na pag kumain ng red meat, lalong sumakit yung AVN and even arthritis ng hips or knees? So, the question is, does eating red meat give you more pain sa AVN or arthritis? And the answer is, usually, there are cases na sasakit after a meal. And this can be because it's not the meat, but it is usually the processed foods, the sauces, and the added na mga condiments. It's not the meat per se. So there are many things from nature which usually don't have an effect. But if you do have a gouty arthritis, then yes, certain meats can worsen your arthritis. The type of oil also matters, no? There are oils na yung mga patients don't know can be inflammatory and cause more pain in the joints. So it's not just the food, it's the type of arthritis that you may have. Gouty arthritis is different from rheumatoid and osteoarthritis and different from AVN. So there are going to be patients na mas sensitive sa meat than others. For others na it's also possibly yung mga processed foods, mga inflammatory oils, and it's a lot of different things. My advice is you make a food diary so that you can customize ano yung mga foods that give you pain and inflammation and remove them from your diet. I hope this helps. And I hope to see you next time sa Ask Dr. Joff segment. That's all the time that we have for today. Much love and respect. I'm Dr. Jonathan Flordelis here at Cebu Orthopedic Institute. I'm here Monday and Friday, 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And I'm only seeing hip and knee patients. Hip being sakit sa singit, sakit sa bugan, and sa punuan. Knee patients, sakit sa lukon-lukon, sakit sa tuhod. Next time, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.